Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to take you through how I make my kenkey. So I'm enjoying my kenkey right now, and you can see how it is super soft and very tasty. I'll be sharing with you how to make shito as well. So I have 2 parts of corn dough and 1 part of cassava dough. So in my pot, I'm going to be adding 1 part of the corn dough. It needs accurate measurement, if not, it will not turn out great. So corn dough is made from corn that has been soaked for some days and then milled. So this is my cassava dough that I have added, and then my salt and some water. I've added 2 cups of water. So I'll mix everything together and then I'll go and stir it. So you remember I showed you 2 tied corn dough, and I've taken 1 together with the cassava dough, and I'm going to stir it together. But you may choose not to add cassava dough and rather add your kokonte, and that is the powdered form of cassava that has been dried and milled. So now I'm going to make shito. So I've added some onions to this cooking oil, and at the same time I'm checking on my mixture here. I'll be stirring it continuously so that lumps will not be formed. I want my kenkey to be soft, that is why I added the cassava dough. But if you don't want it to be too soft, you will not add anything except the corn dough. So I'm just giving it a stir to prevent it from forming the lumps. So now back to my shito. The onions has fried for some 2 minutes, so I've added some blended peppers. I have green bell pepper, green chili pepper, and habanero pepper. So I've mixed everything. So now at this point, I'll be covering it so that it will cook well. So now I've added some fish powder and stock cube to my shito, and I'll stir everything together. And after some few minutes, I'll add my tomato paste to it. So my shito is almost getting done, but you have to be stirring it continuously for it to turn out well. So after some 5 minutes, I have just opened and it is cooked so well, but you may choose not to cook it very well. So now I'm adding the raw one to the cooked one, and I'll mix it together before I package it into my corn leaves. You can also scoop the cooked one into a large basin or bowl and then add the raw one so that you can easily mix everything together. But I didn't want to dirty a lot of bowls, so I just had to mix everything in this pot. So I'll just do it for some 7 minutes and it will be ready for me to package it. But you have to put off the flame before you mix this together. You don't let it be on. So now my shito is done, and I'm just going to put off the flame. So I have the leaves of corn that I soaked in water so that it will loosen up a bit or it will become soft before I can use it to package. So what I'm using to package is just the covering of corn. They sell it at the market, so you can easily get it and buy, and it can be used multiple times. That is if it is always home use. So you scoop it into the leaf, mold it, then you use another leaf to cover it. So after covering it, you have to twist it this way. Then you find a portion of it and create a hole and fix the end part into it. So now I'm done with everything and I'm just putting it into my large pot. I have lined the bottom with the corn leaves. And I've just lined them in the pot and I'm going to add some water. I'm not going to add plenty water to fill up my kenkey. It's just going to be some minimum amount of water. So after 15 minutes, I opened to check and it was still not cooked well. So I'll have to cover it for additional 15 minutes. So in all, my total cook time was 30 minutes. So now it is done. And it is time for me to serve and enjoy it hot hot. So I'll first of all remove the leaves and I'll be adding my shito. You can see I'm touching my kenkey. It's very soft. I've added my shito, my stew, and also I have my fish and some chopped vegetables. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Bye.